In front of me is OnePlus 9 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Lastly, swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter it. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this dark area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!